Are we filming? Yes, we are. So this is a promised video to demonstrate the slight problem, which is not a deal breaker because I can resolve it. But this is a video showing the. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you. So what I've done here is, let me get a Pilot G2 and show you. So I have rounded I've smoothed round the end of the backplate here, but on the other side I have I've deliberately left it as I bought it, and I just want to demonstrate to you just the danger of leaving these sharp ends sharp. So I'm just going to zoom out again. So we're just going to scrape the polished ends, the smoothed over ends, over my old work table, and you can see that, okay, there are some scratches there. As you can see, there are some scratches, so you've still got to be careful. But let's do the same thing, turning it over and using the unfinished, the unprocessed ends. So as you can see, it is so sharp that it is actually acting as a chisel. And if you had a 18th century walnut dining table, your partner would be none too pleased if you used a plotter on it. In fact, you've got to be careful with this, with any surface, because if you are a guest of someone, or you are even in a, I don't know, but you get my picture. You've just got to be very, very careful with it. My recommendation is that, let me zoom again for effect. So my recommendation is you do take the time to file it down, and don't leave it like this. And so I am going to show you how to do this, how to file it down. So I'm just going to do a voiceover on this one very, very quickly. So I'm using some leather to catch the metal particles that I'm filing. I'm filing using a fairly chunky file, but any file will do. It's just a finer file, gives a finer surface, but it takes a little bit longer. But here we are. I'm using a file with a smooth edge to guard against damaging the leather. And it doesn't take more than a few minutes with this type of file, but crucially, it means that I guard against those sharp edges. I know it's probably the part of the design, the plotter design, but I feel much happier. I'm going to be using this as a working tool. I'm going to put it in my pocket regularly, or my jacket pocket, or my jeans pocket. And so having this smooth surface, even though I've had to modify arguably what is a very, very expensive item, it is, I mean, it's just a thing. It's a delight to use, but I just wanted to get rid of those sharp corners, which might have damaged the lining of my pocket. So there we go. It is a Plotter Mini 5 where I have rounded and modified the corners for protection against holes in my pocket. Thanks very much for watching.